Good morning, students. Let us see application problems of quadratic equations. Generally, in our daily life, we have seen so many situations. Those situations can be solved by converting into quadratic equations. Let us see one problem. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So we find out Rahman's age. That Rahman's age 3 years ago and after 5 years from now, reciprocal sum is 1 by 3. So we find out his present age. So to find his present age, we don't know his present age. By assuming some other any number we can't get. It is much time to take. So let us solve this by converting into quadratic equations. Here we don't know Rahman's age. So unknown number is assumed as any variable x. So I am taking, let the present age of Rahman be x years. We don't know Rahman's age. So assuming x. So 3 years ago means 3 years before. Before means you have to subtract from now age. Present age is 10. 3 years ago 7. So 3 years ago means subtract from present age. So x minus 3. This reciprocal 1 by x minus 3. 5 years from now. Now 5 years. After 5 years from now, that means add 5 years. X plus 5. Is reciprocal 1 by x plus 5. What is given? This two reciprocal sum is 1 by 3. That is given. Sum of the reciprocals is 1 by 3. So 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. So let us take LCM here. What is LCM? X minus 3 into x plus 5. 1 into x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 3. So here cross multiply. Okay. By cross multiplying 3 comes to left side numerator. 3 into this numerator. 3 into x plus x 2x, 5 minus 3 2. This denominator goes to right side numerator. 1 into this one. Okay. Here 3 2s are 6x. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. X into 5, 5x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Minus into plus, minus. 3 5s are 15. So x square 5x minus 3x 2x minus 15. Take this all terms into right side. Transpose these two terms right side. Plus 6x becomes minus 6x. Plus 6 becomes minus 6. So x square 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 equals 0. So here this is a quadratic equation. Standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Now we solve this quadratic equation. To solve we have three methods. Factorization method, using formula, using completing square. Whenever it is easy to find factors, you go through the factorization method. Here to find the factors, take this x square coefficient 1. Constant minus 21. 1 into minus 21. Product. X square coefficient constant. Multiply these two minus 21. Find two factors of minus 21. That sum should be x coefficient. Sum should be x coefficient minus 4. So 21 can be written as 7 3s are 21. So minus 7 plus 3 equal to minus 4. Okay, are you getting? So you have to select two factors of minus 21. That sum should be minus 4. So I am taking 21 is 7 3s are. Okay. This is only possible. 7 3s are 21. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. That is x coefficient. So minus 4x can be written as minus 7x plus 3x. Now from first two terms, x is a common factor. Take x common. X square means x into x. Remaining factor x. Here x remaining minus 7. From this 2, what is the common factor? Here 3 is a factor. For 21 also 3 is a factor. 3 7s are. So take 3 common. What is the remaining factor? X. 3 7s are 21. 7. So again x minus 7, x minus 7. Take x minus 7 common, x plus 3. So x minus 7 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. Minus 7 transpose right side plus 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. Plus 3 transpose right side negative. 0 minus 3. That is minus 3. But here what is x? X is the age. Age cannot be negative. Age should be positive. So x equal to 7. That is the Rahman's age. Rahman's present age is 7 years. So for this type of problem, you take any unknown number, any unknown related to that problem assumed as a x. Then go through the given data and convert by simplifying this, like you can convert into quadratic equation. Solve that quadratic equation by any method. If you are getting factors, go through the factors, or you can use the formula. Okay, let us see one more problem. Let us take another problem. So this is the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So a field is in the shape of rectangle. So let us take, this is a rectangle, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal, parallel and equal. Okay na? And adjacent sides are perpendicular. So here this, if you take, this is a rectangle. What is the shorter side? What is the longer side? This is shorter side. This is longer side. So this longer side is depending on the shorter side. Diagonal is also depending on the shorter side. So here, if you know shorter side, you can find the longer side and diagonal. So this problem is depending on the shorter side. We don't know shorter side. So let us assume shorter side is x meters. So longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter. So add 30 meters to shorter side. So x plus 30. And the diagonal, that rectangle has two diagonals, AC and one more BD. So I am taking one only, AC. Diagonal is 60 meters more than shorter. So add x to 60, x plus 60. So this is the given data. So we find out the sides. So here what is the, see if you observe, this is the rectangle. Are you getting this? What is this? ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Are you getting? So ABC is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle satisfies Pythagoras property. Let us take, what is Pythagoras property? Base square plus height square equal hypotenuse square. See this, shorter side is x, longer side x plus 30, diagonal x plus 60. That is a rectangle, ABC is a right angle triangle. Base square plus height square equal hypotenuse square. So what is base? X plus 30 whole square. Height x square. Hypotenuse x plus 60 whole square. So this is expand using a plus b. A plus b whole square. A square x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 30 plus b square 30 square plus x square equal, here also same. Expand using a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So a square x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 60 plus b square 60 square. So on equal right hand side, left hand side, same terms can be cancelled. Same terms on RHS and LHS can be cancelled. X square can be cancelled. Here x square 2 30 is a 68, 30 square 900, 260 is a 120. Take that 120 left side, minus 120x, 60 square, 6 square 36. 10 means 2 zeros, 3600. So take that left side, 36 minus 3600. X square plus 60x minus 120x. So that is minus 60x. Plus 900 minus 3600 minus 2700. Now let us find the factors. So What is x square coefficient? 1. Constant minus 2700. 1 into minus 2700. Minus 2700. You select factors of 27. That sum should be 6. Minus 6. Okay, 27 factors are 9 3s are 27. Here 2 zeros, take 90, 30. So minus 90 into 30. Minus 90 plus 30, minus 60. Are you getting? If 2 zeros are there, take this number 27. 27 factors are 9 3s are 27. Take 90 and 30. So minus 60x can be written as minus 90x plus 30x. So here from these two terms you can take x common. X square means x into x. Other factor x. So you are taking x common, remaining factor 90. From this 2, 30 take common, take 30 common. So your remaining factor x. 30 90s are 2700. X minus 90 common factor, take x minus 90 common. What are the remaining factors? X plus 30. So x minus 90 equals 0 or x plus 30 equals 0. So that is x equal to minus 90 goes to right side plus 90. Plus 30 goes to right side minus 30. But x is the length. The length should be positive. So let us take x equal to 90. That is shorter side. What is the longer side? X plus 30. X plus 30 equals 90 plus 30, 120. So longer side 120, shorter side 90. Okay. So already we have discussed what are the formula of quadratic equation and nature of the roots. So roots are, this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a quadratic equation. The nature of the roots is depending on the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So roots are depending on the discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots are real and different, distinct. If the b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary, not real numbers. So let us see, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If roots are real, find the roots. Okay. So let us take this problem. So here compare with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. What is a? 2. What is b? Minus 3. What is c? 5. So let us find discriminant. Discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. So substitute the values, b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a 2, c is 5. Minus 3 whole square, minus square is plus, 3 square is 9. 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. 9 minus 40, minus 31. Minus 31 is less than 0. So if the discriminant is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Okay. Now let us take another problem. Here also compare with the standard form, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, c equal to 4. So discriminant b square minus 4ac. Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a 3, c 4. 4 minus square plus 4 square 16, root 3 square 3, 16 3 is a 48. 4 4 is a 16, 16 3 is a 48. 48 minus 48, 0. So here discriminant is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Roots are equal. So let us find the roots. To find the roots, take x square coefficient constant. What is x square coefficient? 3. Constant 4. 3 4 is the 12. For 12 only 3 and 4 are the factors. If you add or subtract these two, we can't get minus 4 root 3. So we have to get roots by adding minus 4 root 3. We have to get minus 4 root 3 by adding. Minus 4, how can you get minus 4 root 3? So let us take minus 2 root 3, minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3, minus 2 root 3, minus 4 root 3. If you multiply minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 4 3s are 12. So here minus 4 root 3 is there, so I am writing minus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3x. Here 3 I am writing root 3 into root 3. Okay, I am taking root 3x common. Another remaining factor root 3 and other is x. Here taking root 3x common minus 2. From this 2 I am taking 2 common factor and minus also. For these two symbols, first one whatever the symbol, take that symbol common. If you take minus 2 common, root 3x plus becomes minus. 2 2s are 4. So root 3x minus 2, root 3x minus 2. Take root 3x minus 2 common, root 3x minus 2. So root 3x minus 2 equals 0, root 3x minus 2 equals 0. Root 3x equal minus 2 transpose right side plus 2. So x equal to 2 by root 3. Here also x equal to 2 by root 3. Roots are real and equal. So this is the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots is depending on the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, real and different, distinct. B square minus 4ac 0, real and equal. B square minus 4ac less than 0, roots are imaginary. See another problem. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. This quadratic equation has equal roots. Find k value. So let us compare with the standard form. By comparing with standard form, what is a value? A equal to, b equal to k, c equal to 3. If the quadratic equation has equal roots, then discriminant is 0. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Substitute the values. B square, k square minus 4 into a 2, c 3 equal to 0. 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So minus 24 transposes to right side plus 24.
24.
Square transpose, take the square right side, that becomes root 24. This 24 can be written as multiple of perfect square, that is 4 into 6. Root 4 is 2. So whenever we are taking square root, we are taking plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, are you getting? So let us take another problem. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0. So multiply here. Kx into x, x into x, x square. Kx into minus 2, minus 2kx plus 6 equals 0. Again compare with standard form. Ax square, kx square. So a equal to k plus bx, b equal minus 2k, c equal to 6. So roots are equal. So b square minus 4ac equals 0. B square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a, k, c, 6. Minus 2 square 4, k whole square, k square. 4 into 6, 24k. Here 4k is the common factor. Take 4k common, another factor is k. Here 4 6 are 24, k is a common factor. So 4k equals 0 or k minus 6 equals 0. So k equals 0 or k equals minus 6 transpose right side plus 6. We have two values, k equals 0, k equals 6. If you substitute k equals 0, it is not a quadratic equation. If you write k equals 0, what happens? 0 plus 6 equals 0. That math satisfies. So what is the value of k? K equals 6. So this is the depending on the nature of the roots. Roots are equal, so we are taking the condition b square minus 4ac equal 0. So solve some related problems of this. So we completed quadratic equations. So go through the problems, examples. If you have any doubt, WhatsApp me, or you can see many more videos from YouTube also. Okay, now if you are interested, you can learn from YouTube. In the YouTube many channels providing 10th class videos in digital, many lecturers, teachers. So we have completed quadratic equations and sets, max 50% sets completed. Tomorrow almost let us discuss test sets. Okay, thank you.